I didn't catch up to you guys because I forgot everything.
I told him.
Pillow, sleeping bag, change of clothes. I was gonna be wearing this for 2 days.
Well, you know, I bet you'd smell real good.
But one thing I didn't forget is your food. So here, I'm gonna let you take the pic.
Oh man, did you see that? This is good angle.
You got roast beef or roast beef?
I'll take the roast beef.
Got roast beef? How about some hummus?
Nah.
No?
Oh man, Brian, it's a little hairy back there.
A little hairy?
How about some law?
Oh man. Oh jeez.
Man, where did you hide that at?
How about some law in your life?
Sprite?
Can I use Sprite?
What happened?
Daddy,
Yes, baby.
that noise.
Oh, we got the captain on the back. Oh yeah.
Getting ready to roll out.
Rolling out. Over and out.
What you got, Law?
Popeyes.
Dude, really?
Oh, KFC. Man, it tastes like Popeyes.
Oh man, we're about to unload the NSX. These guys, they're pros. They've done it one time before, and you know, we're gonna see how well they do. Got anything to say about this over here?
Me no comprende.
We just found him, and hopefully, you know, we can get this down here and get it locked away.
Oh, wow. What's up, man? I got some video of this.
Let's check this out, guys. Hey, Brian.
Who's that good-looking guy?
Hey, wait a minute.
I look better on TV.
Wait a minute. What's going on here?
You got the live version.
Have I seen
and
double?
And you got the TV version. Look at this.
This is going to be in black, but for the calibers, we're actually.
I don't know what it is because their keep videos are all mixed in together.
I honestly think you look better in person.
Thank you, thank you. But of course, I'm in video now, so
Yeah.
yeah. All right.
Well, if they want to see you, they gotta come to the meeting.
Like I got to meet tomorrow. Got to be here. You can see my live face in version. Wow, look at the little hair there. Look at that. He looks younger too, huh?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
He looks mad.
Check that out. Yeah. Oh, we got a full house tonight here.
Full house, baby. We're about to pop it in right here. It's gonna be a tight squeeze, but
That's 1, 2, 3 right
we're
there.
gonna see. Yeah. Bam, bam, bam. So you got a scene that's very unfamiliar, unless you're part of the Acura Honda Classic. 3 NSXs, 1 garage. Only happening in one place. The prep for tomorrow's meet, the Sunday Ace Cafe is real. Collab with NSX Club of America going down. No preparation. Can't wait till tomorrow. I'm hungry though.
Food.
Time to eat. Roundabouts. Very historic. Very nice.
Look at that. Wow. Wow.
Hey guys. Just having a great night.
Oh man, this is wonderful.
Sweet.
What's that, Brian?
Oh, we're ready. I'm ready for some hot box. Hot pot.
Not hot pots. That's what you do in high school in the car.
Oh.
What's up? We'll make some just now. I cook every morning.
Some of you guys say, oh, there's going to be a meet at Ace Cafe. Some of you guys don't even know who sponsors the meet. Well, if you guys see us in yellow shirts, we're Acura and Honda Classic. We actually started 1 year ago, and we've grown pretty quick because of the community. And who makes up the community? You do.
Here in Orlando on December 8th. We're here, it's only 11:40 right now, and we got a pretty good turnout with the NSX Club of America. We got here XMP from Orlando. They brought their cars out to play, all right? And then everyone else that's here here. They're here for the show, the food, and the good times.
I see your name says Dad Swag, so tell me, what is Dad Swag? I'm not a dad yet, but maybe you could tell all the dads out here what that is.
All right. How you doing? My name is Nate. Dad Swag. So Dad Swag it started off as a joke between me and my wife. I feel like I'm the coolest dad around. So I used to joke, call myself Dad Swag. And it just became a thing. So started making decals and shirts, and it kind of stuck.
And that color's from our new Acura, our new Honda. It's the same color if you recognize it. It's on our TLXs, the Quartz, and the MDX. Guys, give him a round of applause. Check out Dad Swag. I know it's not easy coming up here and talking in front of a bunch of people, but you did a great job. Check it out. Even though there was no cover over it, go take a look at it in person. And you know what? The guys working on that car are our young generation in high school, and they're going to be what we follow as we get older too. So they did a great job with yourself. Pleasure. Thank you for coming out. Now, our next Tony. Now you got something very small under that cover. What is it?
1991 Honda Beat.
And how long? When did you acquire this car?
About a year ago.
All right. Now, when you acquired it a year ago, did it look like this? Did you do any modifications?
It was actually red at first, and all my cars are white, so I went ahead and painted it white and did a full color change on it. But overall, as far as the car goes, I plan on eventually K-swapping it. That's kind of what I do to all the cars I get. But right now it's pretty much stock, exhaust, lowered on wheels, a couple parts from Japan that we had shipped over here, and that's pretty much about it, really.
Awesome. So you got a theme with all your cars. They're all white, and you know they drive the same and look the same. So hey, thanks for coming out. Before we reveal, if you guys want to do a reveal here or down south at our main location, all you gotta do is DM us. Maybe you're working on a project, something small, doesn't need to be big. Hit us up, and we will love to show everyone what we got. John, go ahead, show everyone what is underneath that cover. Wow. Guys, you can go around, take a look at it, walk around it. I don't think there's anything out here like that. And if you guys want to see more of this car and other cars that the owner has,
see that thing?
You know what? They want me to say everything. Come here. His next build.
All right, what you guys don't know about this guy Tony is that this is not his only build. I think he's got 3 or 4 builds. One of them is an NSX with a swap. So that is coming up. It looks kind of like my car. It's gonna be a different color. Guess what color it's gonna be? So I cannot wait to see that one. So
Awesome. So guys, listen, don't forget Acura Honda Classic.